Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Thank you so much for supporting us. In this video, we will see second midterm timetable for this academic year 2018 and 19 for 12th standard. Okay, the second midterm exam starts from 19th November till 24th November. That will be day starts from Monday to Saturday. Okay, exam time 11:15 a.m. to 12:30 p.m. That will be maybe 1 hour 15 minutes. So there will be 50 more questions only for the second midterm test. In afternoon 3:15 p.m. to 4:30 p.m. Okay, 19/11/2018 Monday language. So it will be Tamil, Urdu, etc. Afternoon English. 20/11/2018 to Tuesday, mathematics, zoology, commerce, microbiology, nutrition dietetics, textiles and dressing, food management and childcare, agricultural practices, nursing general, nursing vocational. In afternoon, communicative English, Indian culture, computer science, biochemistry, advanced language Tamil, home science, statistics. 22/11/2018 Thursday, physics, economics, general mechanist, electronics equipments, draftsman civil, electrical machines and appliances, auto mechanic, textile technology. 23/11/2018 Friday, chemistry, accountancy, geography. 24/11/2018 Saturday, biology, botany, history, business mathematics, office management, and last accountancy and auditing. Okay, this is the second midterm timetable. Okay guys, I hope this video is useful to you. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you there in next video. Bye.